Hello everyone, and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm coming on to do a quick review on these Beechwood hooks from the company called Yarny. This is felted, comes in a nice pouch with a leatherette strap on it. So we are going to open this up together. I did get this from Amazon. When you open it, this is what you're going to see. You will have 7 hooks in this felted case here. And it starts off with a 3mm, and it goes all the way up to a 6. They do have the sizes printed on the bottom. Let's see. I can get this in here good. There we go. And also available right now is a 12mm purchased separately. This set I got for $18.99. I do have Amazon Prime. I was able to get it very quickly. I must say that in comparison to the Furls, these are super, super lightweight. They don't have the heaviness that the Furls has. This is weightier. All right. Also, you will see with the Beechwood hook, it has a more tapered style to it. And for the Furls, it is more in line for the hook. And I will pick a few more, going to share with you that they're not all made the same. There was one right here, if you notice, that has a pointier head than the gold tip hook. It has a more rounded shape, but they are in line compared to the Beechwood hook. All right. I love the weight of these. Also, another thing about these is that the Beechwood, this right here is aluminum. All right. For the Furls, these are nickel plated. All right. They are, to me, more durable. And also for the Furls hook, it has an auto body paint finish to these hooks. Whereas with the Beechwood, you notice that this is wood. It's wooden. I did see a review on Amazon that said that they wish that these were smoother. And you definitely want to have wood that's smooth. So first of all, it's not going to feel bad in your hand. And also, you don't want it to snag your project when you're using the yarn. So I wanted to point that out. So we are going to do some crocheting with these. I just know right off the bat that also it seems as though the Beechwood hooks may be slightly longer. Let's see. Yes, they are slightly longer than the Furls hook. Let me put this one here. So what I'm holding is a G hook, which is right up top. That is longer than the J hook here. And this is the Beechwood. You can see the difference. This is going to be great for someone with the smaller hands. Okay, I have large hands, and so I'm actually covering it. This isn't my favorite one because it's shorter And also the shaft here is made differently on this particular one. If you noticed, you can tell the difference with how the shafts are made as well. Hope you all can see that. So something to think about when you want to purchase these. Let me put some other sizes of these. And also the sound. That was another thing that got me, was the sound of them when I put them all together. Not too much difference with the size. That doesn't really concern me much. It's the weight. That's what I loved about Odyssey. That's why it became my favorite, because I love the feel of the hook, the heaviness of it. Sometimes it's too heavy for some people, and I get that and I understand that. So Beechwood may be good for you, but I'm telling you, the quality, I don't like that. I don't like the sound and everything. Here's Furls. Heavier. It's made better, made to last. Not saying that they can't break, okay? So, with these right here, very, very light. Just don't like them. All right, but let's see how they work. Let's see how they crochet. Let's see how they work up. Let's do that right now. I went ahead and I put the majority of these back into the case, but I did want to point out that in this pocket right here, there were a bag of stitch markers, which was great, and also tapestry needles, the plastic ones right here. So that was like a little bonus. The price is another thing with Furls. I understand that Odyssey has a bigger price tag, and this keeps falling out. This right here keeps coming out. Furls has discontinued the Odyssey hook, but you can still get them in different places. You can get them on Etsy, eBay, various people selling them online. So you can look for those. We are going to make a chain. Go on the Amazon website and check them out. Check out the reviews for this. Some people said that this basically glide like butter. And I don't really get that feel. It's not as smooth as other crochet hooks, honestly. And I'm using a 6mm. This is the one that I'm using right now. But this is too lightweight for me. Even with a metal hook. Let's see. Do I have a metal one? Yes, I have a metal one right here. And it's just the feel of it in my hand. It's just not working for me. Now, it may work for some other people, obviously, because there were some people that were raving about these beech nut hooks. See, I like the smoothness of this metal hook right here. Just good old plain boy hook. This is better than the Beechwood. Really, really is. We have to invest in good tools, and Beechwood is not really hitting it for me. All right, let's go on to the Furls hook. That was aluminum. Remember, this is aluminum. Now we're moving on to the nickel plated hook, and this glides like butter. This right here is working. And it's heavier in my hand, so I'm able to manage it, but I am really, really good. I can work fast with the Furls. And I'm not saying that just because I am affiliated with them. I really, really love the hook. I mean, that's why I became an affiliate, is because I love the hook. Okay, let me just do half double crochet. See how this feels. It's just gliding better. So Beechwood is a no-go for me. Let me know in the comments if you have a set and if you're happy with the purchase or not. But yes, I'm a Furls girl for life. This is working right here. Yes. This, no. No, no, no. And I should do a drop test outside, see what happens. No, I'm not going to do that, but I like the boy hook better. Yes, better than the Beechwood. I'm going to put the specs on the screen for these hooks. Some people said they didn't like the case. I think this is a nice travel case right here, because you can just roll it and go. Maybe they thought it was too cheap or something like that, but the hooks are cheap. So I don't understand why they would be complaining about this case being cheaply made, because the hooks are. They are not the best quality in the world. I'll say that. But the design is there. The idea is there. I'll give them that. So I think for the Odyssey hook was $36 a piece. And then you can get these hooks. The Yarny case. And you can get all those hooks for $18.99. This is great for traveling and when you're on the go. Also, I want to mention the Furls packaging is the bomb. I love it. So for the Odyssey, this is what you're going to get. It said, wait, open other end. So you open here. Bam. And then they have little sayings on the inside. The time has arrived, it says. Oh, look at this. Ooh, look at this hook. Gorgeous. This is the first time I'm opening this because I have some extra hooks that I have not unboxed or opened. This is an end hook. So the size is stamped on the bottom. This is very, very nice. Look at that. It is just shining. And it's, there we go. The camera is picking that up. So you have a little extra hanging off there. But Furls won with the packaging for me. Thank you so much for tuning in to Old Joe the Crocheting Sailor and checking out my review on the Beechwood hooks versus the Furls hooks by the company Yarny. Let me know what your thoughts are. Have a wonderful day. Remember to live each day as if it were last. I'll see you guys next time.
Thank you for watching, yeah. Please click that thumbs up. Like the video. And if you haven't already, push that button that says subscribe. Subscribe to all of Joe's channel, the Crochet Sailor channel. Don't forget to share the video. Subscribe.